Gavana Mutuma Ntwithingia muthenya Jonarua na atumirite umbani bwawe kiri thirikari yawe mieri 8 kuma kujukia wathani. Mutuma na gwetete matunda ja ngwataniro yawe na thirikari nene gutokanirio karia bori na nyambene kureta thiri ugima wa kibwa barabara utalii na iwanda na guntu kurehete na mbere kureta ugaruruku ni kumania na untu bubu nikyo utuko Bonarua tugukuria utwe maoni jaku igurure antumiri eje ya mbere ya Gavana Mutuma. Maoni jaku nijoreko igurure antumiri ya mbere ya Gavana Mutuma rene about 23578 no namba yetu ya SMS getana mbere kuthoma antumiri chako ora tugwetana mbere na ntitwiji chetu chia weru thaithato. Antona Finasimana betagwa ntinyari kenywa tsani jamanja tukwanganire cyo tukubonarua kirenje to cheto.
Yaratu kudhurania kirindato cia weru urataini mutujwa Lea Premium Fortified Sifted Maize Meal na Lea Premium All Purpose Fortified Wheat Flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Lea Premium, nurturing the world.
Gavana Mutuma gutariria umbani bwa thirikari yawe kiri rwario rwa mbere kiri MCAs bunge na county ya Meru. Ameru kurita maoni jago kone jaraba ringienda Rais Ruto arumira kiri rwario rwawe kiri ndiguru tukya rojo. Kindi kina gatago gwitana mbere kuthimana kathario ndi ithurano bia mbere no bitigerie wakuretera gicunje kia mbere kia ripoti ya mwanya dhahabu. Kugwatogeno kairi Purity Richard no monaneri wa mathithio utuko Bonarua. Gavana Mutuma Ntwithingia muthenya Jonarua na rutite ntumiri yawe ya mbere ya kaunti kuma kujukia tongeria mweri Jwethatu mwaka jojo akiariria mbunge. Gavana Mutuma aruga nombanite kirigukire rwangiru ogima bwa mweri akiuga ati mbere ya kujukia wathani rwangiruru ni rwari thinene na aritinguge bago magita kwa magita. Mutuma nkuruki na gwetete umbani na mworoto jwawe kirigukire utalii kuthiria thine ya roje na jangi jama inge. Muthuri Muriuki na gukari mbunge neje Narua na tuthuranira rugono ruru.
Mthajwa na Gavana Meru Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntwithingia na kinyite ndene mbunge ya Meru na kyote kingi nikenda kueja na rwario rwawe rawiti na mbere na mibango ire no ndene kaunti ya Meru. Kwa mbere akigwata ugeni ni Speaker wa Meru Ayubu Bundi.
In delivering an address to the assembly, the governor shall be heard in silence, and the address shall not be followed by any comment or question.
Gavana wa Meru na mbere rwario rwawe na kuwa mandu yege witi na mbere na mibango ire ndene kaunti ya Meru. Kwa mbere ni mandu yege ogima mwiri akiuga mwankira nandi mandu jambe gomo jathirite na kinyena mubango jwa kuria mandiktaji ba matura.
Towards this end, having inherited a neglected healthcare system which was paralyzed by endless industrial action, we took deliberate actions through the process of negotiation and mediation to come up with workable solutions to end the stalemates. I'm happy to report that we are amicably implementing the same. We have budgeted 111 million, which will cover CHP's community health promoters stipends for the entire financial year. So far, we have paid up to September 2025, and arrears will be paid within the current financial year.
Bojairi agone mandojoge okaria na chiometie kutigira wamba ngombe bogudha boginia.
My administration built a camp for National Police Reservists, availed 2 land cruisers, and supply of food and other amenities to 72 members of National Police Reservists, protecting our farmers in Nyambene northern grazing zones. Since I took over and declared war on cattle rustling, our livestock wealth is protected.
Butatu ni madhegi mbembe tenekuru akiwa nandi mubango jwe mwesi jichokete chakuna mbembe na nyambango jovukisha jakutetheria corona mbesa.
Meru Youth Service will recruit our youth who will assist in community service and share registration. As they assist, they will receive a stipends of Kenya shillings 500 each on daily basis. My administration is implementing the Rukisha program, a Kenya shillings 24 million women's revolving fund. Formalization through an MOU with the Meru County Microfinance Corporation is underway.
Nguruki akiwa metaratara mwanya irekite ekwagirithia urimi.
3 million for procurement of maize for Afya millers. 5 million for procurement of milk cans. 2.5 million for coffee seedlings. 2.5 million for avocado seedlings. 15.2 million has been allocated for veterinary supplies and vaccines to control livestock diseases across the county. We have further allocated 3 million for artificial insemination services.
Amana bubu Governor Meru agwa kurigara kwawe ndikona ati thirikari ya county itigwitikire kwa mbasari anaba secondary na ithomo bire guru secondary.
And acknowledge that counties can no longer issue bursaries to secondary schools and tertiary institutions. Not because we lost the will, but because the Office of the Controller of Budget has halted these allocations. The promotion of over 400 members of staff since I took over this financial year 2025-2026, my administration plans to promote all the stagnated county staff and fully implement scheme of service across various cadres.
Na mudiene agwakethwa gukira rituna Meru kimando jegi otari nikendage ni betho bakingia.
We have allocated 9 million towards strengthening tourism visibility, accessibility and visitor experiences across our county.
Muthuri Murioki, Oro TV, Mutijo Kangangi.
Gavana wa Meru Mutumanto ithinkia na akathite bunene MCA bambunge ya county wakiuga ati ni batetherie bunene kiri gucokaniria utugi wa county akiaria kiri rwaria rwa mbere rwa county Gavana Mutuma aruga nkuruki na ati tebara bonde bathinikire kugura rua kana kinyago kwa kagitene gankuchaniji mbere ya kweberwa gitine kwa kawira Mwangaza. Gavana Ojo ora wethiritwe ari utongerie ne kwa kagita kamieri na nkuruki na ajukite kagita guteya moto tugi Raila Odinga na gutariria machiara jangwataniro yawe na thirikari nene. Tumiri gutamba thochi Mwankanto Nyeri ati Gavana Mutumanto ithinkia akethirwa akieja na rwaria rwawe rwa mbere KMCA ba Meru ntuku ya narua niguo karina ina ikurari na nyonta nene ya kuthikira rwaria ruru.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Nawe Gavana Ojo akianjiria rwaria rwawe na njira ya mwanya irene guteya moto tugi Raila Odinga.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that we all rise and observe a moment of silence. Kindly, let's be on our feet.
Akimugweta tawethe wa wathani wa matura na chomba devolution.
As the father of devolution, his vision gave birth to a governance system that empowers counties, strengthens communities, and brings development closer.
Raila Odinga akiute ikiri gikaro kia narua Gavana Mutuma akiuria MCA kurikana baraba tere mioyo yao kirindwa ya kuonokia Meru kiri wathani wa Mwangaza.
Again, in honor of those who paid the ultimate price in the struggle to set Meru free from a chaotic and painful past, I respectively request that we all rise for a moment of silence.
Agichokeria MCA nkatho na kubaka thani untu ba umiria bunene na kunyamara kagita karabaru jaira Meru.
We cannot overlook the pain endured, the sacrifice made, and the extraordinary courage demonstrated through the true character of the Meru people, fearless, firm, resilient. You held this county together at a time when it was teetering on the brink of collapse. For 2.5 years, you stood in the gap. You burnt the midnight oil so that our people could have liberation, stability, and hope.
Na ugite kinyani bekire mioyo yao gwati na kire witangugeje ya kweberia wathani bothuku.
I have often asked myself, where would I be today? And to whom would I be delivering this address to if this chamber had indeed been engulfed in flames and you had all perished? That is how close Meru came to losing everything, through the unmistakable hand of arsonists. When the future historians of this county recount this chapter, the Third Assembly will not be a mere footnote.
Kevano jo na gweteta guchokera kwa thiri Meru ta gintu kimwe kiragwikumiria bunene.
I made a solemn promise to restore peace, unity, and cohesion, and to govern with an open-door policy. Since then, we have engaged in an extensive, inclusive healing journey. I have consulted widely with members of this Honorable Assembly, members of Parliament, our Senator, Jorincheke elders, religious leaders of all faiths, the business community, and our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. As a result, today, Meru is at peace.
Akigweta jamaja matunda jira joneketa kumane na ngwataniro ya na thirikari nene jara kumbana kurera ndura mukawa jo Leopard Rock.
The President has committed to offset the Kenya shillings 700 million Leopard Rock debt on behalf of Meru County.
Kwitithwa nkathe kwa sibitali level 5 wagirithia bothoko kathumba na kinya bieni bia michetho.
Gakoromone market is being upgraded at a cost of 800 million, project to be the largest market in East and Central Africa. Maua, Kianjai, Mikidori, and other markets are being upgraded to ensure clean, organized trading spaces for our people. Kinoru Stadium, a critical facility for our youth talent development, is earmarked for completion with a allocation of Kenya shillings 150 million so that it can be handed over to the county government management.
Na nkuruki kire mubango ya gukinyanirio karie gembe na kinya gutethia rethi na mbeu cia kubandithia ng'ombe cha maguri janthe teje jonthe jakioneka ni untu bwa ngwataniro na kabua.
We have deliberately chosen unity over division, collaboration over isolation, positivity over negativity, inclusiveness over individualism. Our partnership with the national government is already yielding major gains.
Mutuma ugetageta na mbere kurumira ngwataniro eje kienda guketha matunda ja maingi kinya nkuruki na kurumira weti na mbere kienda Meru etweka ngerekana kire county inge.
May God bless you all. May God bless the great county of Meru. May God bless Kenya, and let us build Meru together.
MCA Bambunge Meru bakathite rware rwa gavana Mutuma bakiuga na ataririte umbani na mathina jara rumirite thirikari yawe bakere nyuma ya gavana kuruta ntumiri yawe gikarone kia mbunge MCA baba baruga ni ntuku ya kuririkana ni untuberiga untu sababu mwaka 2022 mutugikare naranirite natongire baba natutumira report yeje
kuma toe kuringirwo kura no the first one by the governor nonto ebateria kuya every year kisheria azo tomba kuthira twenenge tore ya ithingi mwaka wa 3 nonto irarengi twari na problems nyingi muno ibo tomba kuthira twena state of the county address
Mutuma to ithingi for the first time, which is a little bit historic okare na moment ya kuweza na review the 1 year what we've been able to achieve as county government, both the county government of Meru and also the assembly. Highlight some of the great miles to make it as a county.
migambo ya bamwe ba MCs bambunge ya Meru bagishumiria kurita uge bwao boegero ale rwangavana motumanto idhinke nyuma yawe narwa kwariria mbunge eu bakiuganiru ali rwambere buruku makere kithono kya mwaka jwa ngiri jire mirongo ene jire bakiuga kumane na rwayero rwangavana nto idhinkia na jukite kanyaga gutariria mirandi ya kaunti ya Meru irethithetwe iraithite na mbere kuthithwa na kinyama thina jara kaunti ya Meru ithirite gikurukira kagitene gaka
nondu mantera yonthe aua yareo tubwithite more than double ya ronzire tomba kwithira tukibwithia kuma tukuringirwa kura. So there is so much that has been in the speech na ngwethikia Meru yonthe aua baijona bongo nontu yena nturene
ndugana muno nontu mbeca yetu chonde twekire ndene budget program chionde kuma agriculture kuma sport kuma education chionde gavana kuma gwitariria ni program chi underway mantu ya health agwa mantu ya level 5 akuweta mantu ya theater chi orine chi operational na maternity ira chi aingi ira chi kwa akuweta mantu ya governance cup ira enderete ere kuzisha ayuthi baba ingena akuweta muno mantu ya Meru youth service ira baketha baere ako chiringi 500
akumboso kwa highlight some of the challenges ira to face as a county ari pregnancy ya anabetu baraba tekinyete miaka. It is one of the high rates area touch mono that something should be done both at the county government level and also even as a community level.
Kinya space betu baba mendiko pande batekirikia na kwarire mirandi yonde ere thithu kuma kujukio tongeria itukuona county register na ina mirandi mega mono na nyera tithithe twere riandawe au tuthomera yonde na nekiri mbesa sufficient na rira kamerika yonde county Meru ikethena bandiko ya maeka mono
mbesa itenga sign no twakumbosa for disabilities akole mantu ya hospitali ya mamire for example tukuna tena mamire ni watarete na mamire lakini kawana kwa hospitals yonde akomba ukiria nikenda kuthaguna services nje
mantu ja gender based violence center ire kwa na aranjia omba kwethira kiarire mantu ja alcohol na drug abuse na kinya mantu ja teenage mothers akomba kwethira kiuga quite extensively that every teenage mother requires a second chance.
Nkoroki ne barombete ngabana nto ethinke na thirikari yawe gwita na mbere gukubia na mpoike gena kiria rombete kya mirandi ya weti na mbere kenda gutigira Meru mathina jau ja mirumirite nija kwithira jake bible
na kirete mbia kana ibasuite mbesa cia kubwithia the department hiu very muno kenda kinyantu betu bethire batiwita kuguria kethire batu tabika mantu ina dawa mantu ni arue na nyamantu ni ya erothi nontu uyagolele ontu erothi kuthirite kwena challenges sana no kuri ontu mwe president were ntu kwenge araua sibitari cionthe ciete na dawa na no bwo kinyanga bana no akua kana ibwa kuimisa na ikenda ntu betu bakomba kwithira pesa zawa
umambunge ya Meru gicigo mbunge kya North Inke report rateto cia weru ria kwarietwa ni mutuge kare
tariki 19 mweri jwa 10 mwaka jwa 2022 ndwae nene ni yombira kwithirwa igitumirwa Meru ntuku yu gavana Kawira abangite kwariria Meru ukurukira mbunge ya county na ari kwambiriria kwaria MCA Bonthe Baumaruka na kumutiga wenka mbungene kumau mantu ni jagarukire na kira kiathingatirire ni nkutene cha miaka 2.5 na nyumene MCA bara mwebere gitene rero naruo rwa gavana Mutuma ni kirikania gikinene gia ntuku taeje ya mweri jwa 10 mwaka jwa 2022 rugono ruru rukithuranirwa ni Martin Dula.
Rwaria rwa gavana Mutuma ntwethingi ya mbungeni ya kaunti ya Meru nirurikanitie Meru wathani bwa gavana Kawira Mwangaza urawe beru gitene mweri jwa 3 mwaka juju
governors address
ntariki ya naru miaka 3 na mweri jwa muthiru Meru ni bakujira kaumwa kando ene na kaunti neu ira yetere na mbere wakagita ka miaka 2 na mieri 5.
Welcome Our Excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza to give a address to the other members of this assembly. Welcome, Governor.
nĩ ntuku ĩrĩa Kawĩra Mwangaza ũrĩa warĩ ngavana kagitene kau etire kwariria mbunge na gutigwo na nthoni nene nyuma ya MCA bonthe kuma ruka mbunge untu bura bwatumire gikaro kiu giatirwa na kuma au thiri tachokera ta withire.
Having no quorum in the House, I suggest that clerk will take the next tender. Tender number 3, adjournment. Honourable members, this assembly stands adjourned up to 25th of Tuesday, 10 October 2022 at 10 a.m.
Ni kwathingatira gachagacha inene o mea mbunge eu o rutere rukienda kuonania kathari kao. Meri 37 nyumene manto yumwanya thiri no kirune ibyo bitongereti kirero rwa mbere rwa ngavana Mutuma Ntwethingia gwakagita kethari mona ndarika 25 akiariria mero gukurukira mbunge ya county na yuta tikirero rwa ngavana Kawira gavana Mutuma ni amukirwe ni MCA bambunge eu na mitaratara yonthe thingatirwa. Kuringana na katiba na mawatho ja county, gavana na batere kwariria county gukurukira mbunge o rimwe mwaka untu bura butoneka kiri thirikari ya Kawĩra Mwangaza.
We have come from far and today marks an important moment to take stock of our collective milestones.
Morgan Mwiti, Weru TV, Meru.
Tana mbere kurumira nteto chetu twachokera ni nkumai njega aria gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki athurita sekire kanju ya magavana ni nyuma kagita gate kuraja kebebe mutambo.
Kamboni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwethie kugwethia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamis tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made ara maguricha gwete kuma magana jana na 120 mwanka magana mugwanja ja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 ake. Okenda beshe shia kushorere goro ja toye murangi turiongera na arwa ukenere offers cietu nawe momero akiuga murejo na inchoni okuruba mwato aja Rhino Mabati twethero tutogikondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi turiongera industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati erere kithoka ntire na amero gweta ruire kana turingire thimo namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka order yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jeto tokarie bieto. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwithere mane kara nice. Siri ne mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi yenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Moguri wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamojo mudhongi na nikweta kogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watu ikawe na kioria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimo namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ti nice na nice extra premium.
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati. Tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda paa la nyumba, yani roofing, kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kwa nambari 0710 120 590 au 0110 581 292. Fanya oda yako leo, ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thrilling mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Hamwezeni wait?
Bei ya leo premium, si complicated. Kupika leo premium, si complicated. Unabai, unapika, unashiba. Lea premium.
Lea Premium Flour, nurturing the world. Available in a store near you.
Gwetana mbere kurumira ntuto chetu tugicokera gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki na tari kujukia kanyaka munini wa mukaririgiti wa kanju ya magavana gitikira kirari na gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga engiro nyuma ya gucieberia kumane na mĩario yawe iria yerekanire ni agukenera gikuo kia Raila Odinga. Gavana Njuki uria uri kibindi-ini kiayo kia biiri arari mukanukia wa kanju gitikira nandi kijukitwe ni gavana wa Baringo nwe Benjamin Chebui. Githurano giki kithithikite kiri kimono kia magavana kiria gitite na mbere Ntere cha Naivasha.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, citizens of Kenya, this is a press statement following the full council meeting held at the Lake Naivasha Swela Lodge in Nakuru County today. The Council of Governors today convened an ordinary council meeting to conduct elections for the position of Council of Governors Vice Chairperson. The elections were conducted in accordance with Section 19.3 of the Intergovernmental Relations Act Cap 265F. The governors unanimously elected His Excellency Muthomi Njuki, Governor of Tharaka Nithi County, as the Vice Chairperson of the Council of Governors. Following his election as the Vice Chair, the position of Whip fell vacant, and the governors subsequently elected His Excellency Benjamin Cheboi, Governor of Baringo County, to serve as the new Whip of the Council of Governors. In addition, the Council has commenced a 2-day symposium to deliberate on and develop a unified county government's position on 2 major national programs. One, the Affordable Housing Program, AHP, and 2, the Social Health Insurance Scheme, or SHA if you like. These flagship initiatives have significant operational, legal, and fiscal implications on county governments, and the symposium aims to provide clarity, consensus, and strategic guidance.
Ũrĩithi wa ng'ombe cia nĩ bũtuĩkĩte kĩguni gĩkĩnene kĩrĩa arĩithi kaunti-inĩ Meru. Ũrĩmi bũbũ nĩ bũkĩrĩtie ntũra na biashara nyingĩ kumania na wendia wa into bia ndithi. Arĩithi baba bakĩonekana gũkenera baita nene ĩrĩa yumanagia na ũrĩithi wa ng'ombe cia amwe nabo ibuga gũtarĩria mathĩna jarĩa bagũkũrũkĩra magita kwa magita ũrĩmi-inĩ bũbũ jarĩo kwitia kwa biakũra bia ndithi. Mwandĩki wetu Antoto Mũtugĩkare nariunganĩtie na bomo ba arĩmi na biashara baba na gĩkĩ nĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa mbere kĩa rũgano rwa mwanya thahabu iriene.
Kaunti ya Meru Nandi nĩthirĩte rimwe ya kaunti ritongerete kĩrũrĩmi bwa ng'ombe cia iria ja kĩrĩmongo jo Kenya. Na ntuku ĩkauma Meru nĩthagĩra ĩkĩrĩta nkũrũkia rita 600 cia iria. Na bobu menia na baingĩ bakari kwĩthĩra bakĩrũmĩra ũrĩmi bũ. Ara kĩrũgano rũrũ mwanya thahabu iriene. Bithirĩte mbariũngĩrĩte kenda menya yongwa imbiatũmĩre batonyera ũrĩmi bũ na inya. Na kĩa kũmenya nĩ atĩ mũrĩmi mũnini arĩ na ng'ombe ijĩrĩ omba ũkama ũrita 40 gwĩta 50 ntuku. Na nĩtuiyo rita ya iria ĩkoragwo na chiringi 50. Mathabu jampo ng'ombe ijĩrĩ ciethira cigĩtonyo chiringi 2,500 ntuku. Na iji nĩo thahabu iriene. Na tũkĩthikĩra arĩmi bane bethirĩte bagĩtara mathabu ũrĩa ng'ombe iji ciethirĩte cikĩbonera kĩgĩna mĩbuko-inĩ yao.
Tuko maja tatu na kuronka majana kulingana na iria rĩrĩa kuma ng'ombe kethe nĩ iria 34 ndio kama jana
lecho kama ng'ombe 43 tukomba kuza tweka iria rarita 650 na 580 depending with the day ugetoteka mutujira tutumira mutujira musinkunia kana cha mutu na nkunia tutumira kana twaringana na ng'ombe iri kuma no ng'ombe chetu china average kwa ng'ombe kuma between 25 na 40 ugawaga mathabu jau ukona muntu mugite tata kona yeka tukudhunkomera mutu waki lakini ugataka tulite nkunia kana iyo chiringi 300 iria la tukwendia lita 600 iyo it's around chiringi 900 ugaita 300 chotikaria cha mutu waki chotikana chiringi 600 ugaita 300 jana chako gitabura mutu nkobonko mbeca chako king'ombe chiringi 600 no tundithitie
kiuria Nandi nikethira kuri no kujibwe yorethi bwa ng'ombe cheria ura chethirite kigarura njamwanya na kiri ukujibwo thikira arimi baba
urithi bwa iria ibu tegemene na muno kiria usundira nyingi ndene ya Meru County. Ote muntu ote ng'ombe imwe kana ijiri iria
tontu tukwambiria ng'ombe imwe twambire kumikama twonore gutwitira bwega tuigwa ki tuguri nyengi twajuki nyengi twagure ngi twonora tugwita tukona o mapato ja mega na tukaigwa tugikenera tuigwa kugure ngi
kuma kuthomithia ngwira tuitaga gukukuria tuitaga iriene jontu tigintu kingi tutigerie gukugiumbo tutethia
kiuria kinene tugucure ni kinande arimi bathamirite kirurithi bwa ng'ombe cheria machokyo ni ati urimi bobo karakagita thoko eria etreni kamari bakeringithania na morimi jange jara thoko ya choto mba kumenya warima biakura na weikia thoko no kagurirwo atia na kingi urimi bobo ng'ombe cheria ite kwenda withrore na munda jo munene
iji niongo gere tigere ake ishua guaranteed ati nyume ugoenderi teku okamari teku ukona chiringi 50
asikiro bwisi alemere mtu ale anda kethani kwachie akethi kwachie mirigi mbewa getochwa iketherete bui na ndi kinya muntu agathiriria mbeca mundene nare majani turategemaga majani mono lakini kinyajo majani utiginto jo twonera nukwana jana ndi chiite 56
ulimbwa ndiri ndene miru ibubu ya speak kiambere rera constant president kule chiringi 50 plus chiringi yeri bonus tutikwa ni doki mono to tekora the other part of the market ya Kenya area kali so kirago tumba matoka kenge utiginto kenge kutha ikiona mbeca chiringi 50 chikwatene tiga gulimbubu area
tugwatanire ntuko ya rojo kere gicunje kia biere thabu eriene tuone mathina jarari mibabo kurukira Keripotera ndito sheweru Reakwa rietwa ni mutuge Kare
Wantuko ithato muthingatano munini wa mutongeri wa Nthiguru Profesa Kithure Kindiki na mutongeri wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua no betete na mbere kugerana migambo na guchambania kiri kampeni cha gite kia ubunge kia Mbere North akari ntere mwanya cha kaunti u Kindiki augite we ni munini wa rais na kwa unwe musiasa ora munene Mount Kenya na kwa Gachagua na tige gwitwa munene wa Kirimara rutere rwa no Gachagua na menerete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza akiuga ati Runguro William Ruto akenya ni bathinikite bunene na kuromba kariba Mbere North kuringira kura Newton Karish ntuko ya kithurano kinini tariki 27 ritamwaniki na gutwachu
Kambeni sigite kia umbunge kia Mbere Guru no irathi na mbere guku itigarite mithenya 8 tu kithurano giki kinini gikike ateti onde aria marenda gite giki magikaga kambeni miena ngurani ya gicigo mbunge giki munini wa muthamaki wa bururi niwe Profesa Kithure Kindiki agitongoragia mwena wa thirikari urugamite na Leonard wa Muthende guku akiuragia ekari akirie wa Ndia Muminji gukathura Muthende nigo mirandi ngurani ya uthii wa na mbere ikinyani
tupatiwe bilioni nyingine 2 ya maji na tupatiwe pia stima an additional 300 million ifike 600 million. Ni kweli si kweli? Tukacheria biashara stima, tukacheria biashara maji, ama mtaki maji? Maji imetosha huku. Wakati mnaambiwa mchague mbunge wa upinzani, maji itatoka wapi? Stima itatoka wapi? Munajua ya kwamba nimesema tumeanza kuweka lami barabara kadhaa in the last 1 year, kwa sababu mimi nimesukuma maendeleo ya Kenya nzima.
Mwenari wake CS wa Public Service ni Geoffrey Ruku agitesanagiria miario ate thirikari iri na muvango wa ukaira kura wa Muthende ati niguo athurwe.
Pia naendelea kusema ya kwamba mimi Ruku na PS wa energy wa stima ati tuko na njama ya kusima simu wakati ya kuhesabu kura. Unajua kama umeshindwa mapema, unakuwa na visingizio ya kila aina. Ndio maana kwa sasa uko na njama ati ya kununua vitambulisho katika eneo hii ya Mbere North. Jamani, nyinyi ni watu wa kuuza vitambulisho?
Mwenari wingi mwena wa uregani utongoretwe ni Rigathi Gachagua uracera na matura na micie makivoyagira kura Newton Kariuki na kiama kia DP wa uguo ni mathondekete micemanio ngurani ta mwena wa Kamumo kivwai kia umuthi.
Watu ya Mbere mnaweza lazimishiwa mtu na Kalinda wakiwa na Kasongo, ati Kalinda anasema kura yake na ya Kasongo inatosha kupitisha mbunge, lakini yeye hajui wa Mbere. Wewe Kasongo, wewe wacha nikupatie habari. Hii watu ya Mbere utawajua tariki 27. Niguo. Ndira kama manya wega. Na Kalinda ni amoe ni kwirigithia arerigithia. Kalinda ni amoe no aretwa na amoe wega. Mundu ro tamoe wega ni Kasongo. Na ndira Kasongo akamenya wega mweri 27. Niguo.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu Mbetawarita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Rojwara misi tariki mirongo iri Rais William Ruto akariria nthiguru gukurukira mbunge. Kiriro aria rwawe Rais William Ruto na kwirigirwa gutariria umbani bwawe gutongerie ne bwawe bwa miaka 3 na mieri 3 na nkuruki kuga mibango iri ari nayo ya mieri witigere mbere akithurano ya 2027 Rais Ruto tara maingi akarunga makwariria Kenya na akathaga bunene mantu ja wakibonyomba mubango jogima jwa na kinya thoko iria agwaka muthenya jo narua neturiungite ntere mwanya cha county je kwenda kuga maoni ja kari igurura wirigiro bwa rojo kiriro aria rururo Rais na jaja ni jamwe ja maoni jako
turi amiru twenda tuthithiria mirandi minene ontu abwithite nje Nyanza amwe na Western ontu gyagoleile ndene ya Mount Kenya bati muno egembe north nawo kwetu mirandi mingi batu tutalai tubalabala alla utonge ne onto kona maskuru okone bieto muromba lakini batu onto kona onto marure na kubwithia marure ya mbesa inene alafu ke barabara nasio ito batu ko yulelirwa barabara onto ke agolelia kuma uru rira mirandi ira yo uru ira barabara kinja thai tojura
ndenda Rais arerie mante ya mira na soke arerie mante ya barabara na kinya mayani yako wa muno tuitethirwe mayani ruto atierwa atwa ontoba okeria mama mboga na ruare oterio inyo tuona kinya ke mama mboga.
Wakati alikuwa naomba kura alituahidi maneno ya mira atatutafutia soko ya London, lakini bado hajatafuta hiyo soko mpaka sasa. Akatuahidi atatutafutia hii soko ya Somalia, naona bado hajatimiza hii ahadi. Maneno ya stadium akatuambia kuna contractor atakuja kujenga hiyo stadium na bado hajakuja mpaka sasa hizi.
Utinda kiuga affordable bono longwa kwa area. In fact uteke to tomba kuga kuna positive ya Ruto.
Wawerwa rojo nategere kithomo rutererwo usumi bado tu wana biashara kana wana Kenya kana Meru County mbesa tutikomba kwithira tukiona mbesa ethana naswe mutaratara jura mbesa ikomba kuma ya kinyira mwananchi na mwananchi ekere mbesa muko no tumaisha ya thukire biashara ira tukurita kwanje cia thukire nyankuruki
itogo expect ethira akiariragia issues kadhaa kiamwe jaira cia nandiko reports tuonete as young people maandamano ya 2024 na ya 2025 most of our comrades ibombere kuragwa and batomba aciari bao kanja ciao batomba kona compensation area tuenda so itugo expect rojo munene onthiguru akiaria ethire gweta issues imwe jau.
Number one, ndene ya Kenya hithi nire number one with kuna stoned projects inyinge muno na nkiwa stoned project ndiriwa inyira cha promise kubwethwa ire itebwethetwa so itogweregera maybe atwira in the remaining 2 years na ta kubanga kwa achieve kuthiria project uchiothe ire itethiri kana ire cha stoned in Kenya na Kinyamero na nya na Ratiania. Number 2 itorete thina muno kuma June nike manto high procurement na yakara yakayo store devolution yakakaunti ite kuran tukomba kubwithia mantu emaingi maendeleo nto hii procurement na tukomba ocherero muno kinya kwa absorb mbeje thirikari ri bateri kutheki absorb working development.
President ne address gintu gitagwa the e-procurement no it is like it is becoming a stumbling block especially to the operations of the counties na in fact in his address ndendromba president address issues zia counties as autonomous entities ikenda Kenya counties na juu respectwa when it comes to the procurement ngabanasi ivetwe bena free hand ya ku continue their procurement ikenda baumba kuran the counties. There are so many problems to the jaru ke to ja health sector especially man to ja koni insurance but this is almost the second quarter of the financial year na mbuga the other day iro tombire go procure our insurance as the MCAs So most of us have even suffered. Bamwe batuika iba kutumira kinya mbeca ciao, of which they are entitled to that insurance.
Minista wa Kithomo Julius Migos Ogamba haruga uthuraniri bwa kumaka igirube KCSE ni bwambiretie na gwika wira na ati mutaratara jugeta na mbere bubwaga jutina igitaria CS Ogamba arete miarieje onde igirube bya KCSE birigiri kureka kimegeke na kugati gikundi kya mbere kya grade 10 gikau kuma senior school tariki 10 Nigeria mweri jwa Januari akwarege kagita kare akunenkana ire igirio bya KCSE county ya Kiambu Tora Raymond Mwenda agutariria.
Yes wa Kithomo Julius Migos Ogamba na ugete mibangani ya umaki poki kirunitete na mbere na njirembea.
As the KCSE cycle concludes, preparations are now underway for the marking and the processing of results.
Ogamba nongelete kuwa senior secondary kawatarito baba mbere chekile tariki 12 Januari mwaka twetete na rarito baba simbi bakawato injara ibabetete na mbere na 844.
In addition, senior schools should be ready to receive their first cohort of grade 10 learners by the 12th or from the 12th of January 2026. The ministry will continue to issue guidance to ensure a smooth transition and a stable learning environment.
Akiariria nkuchanira sietete na mbere ki arimo ba GSS na arimo banene ba secondary Ogamba na ugete manto ye yakuthiatiro kiobisi.
It's going to be what now we call comprehensive schools, where both GSS and primary schools are domiciled in the same place under one head. So that conflict is an administration conflict that will be discussed and dealt with. It's not really a very big challenge. We'll get a solution to it.
Ogamba na wite kwa iloka sukuru kukwero kwa kwetete na mbere kwa tethia thirikari kwa yapo anene mathaga yoritane integration ntese nthiguru.
As you are aware, we've been undertaking a verification exercise of all our numbers, all our enrollments in our schools. And the purpose of that exercise is to determine the situations in all our schools, including which are the schools that have large numbers of students, so that we can plan increased infrastructure in order to ensure that they are comfortable in their working environment, that the environment that is provided is particularly suitable for the students. So this exercise will enable us make decisions based on data and evidence in order to ensure that there is fairness in distribution of the resources, including the teachers, infrastructure, laboratories, libraries, to ensure that all our learners access the kind of infrastructure required for them to be able to achieve their dreams.
Akiaria MP wa Ruiru Samson Kigara nacokerete thirikari nkatho nontu bakuekongela arimo gicukuru iria ciina arito baba ingi.
Serikali imechukua hatua kubwa sana kuona imerainisha masomo katika Kenya yote. Kielelezo cha hayo ni vile kama saa hii nimesimama hapo ukiangalia TVET imeanza juzi. Serikali imezidua mradi ule unaendelea wa kujenga bweni ya wasomi, na haya yote yametokana na usaidizi kutoka kwa NGCDF na vile vile serikali kuu.
Raymond Mwenda, Nteto cia Weru.
MCA wa Karaja wa Mathi John Antongai nokite matete gurura ujukania baborithi bura bathithikire mwambirio ne jwa kimegike akere na Weru TV na njira ya mwanya Antongai ariuga na makibu nene kuona ati sub county ya Mutwate aire tonya tuka inkuru Kegembe North kirigishigo mbunge Kegembe North na Mutwate neri na ward inyingi ariure mbunge Julius Mukuthingatira untubo akiuga ati kinya sub county wingi ni wadi mwakigu nikita bonene.
Hakikisha tumepata the best kutoka area hii.
Nyuma ya kithurano kia borisi kuruthika nthiguru yonthe ya Kenya na muoroto wa kujukia mabitha nguruki ya ngiri 10 hindi ura wari MCO wandi ya Mwathi John Antongai na ibumiritie akionanagiria gutirari na haki na kioto okiega kiri sub county ya Mutwate nontu nanto baka yake bayochirwe warira ntere Kegembe North kwayochirio anto obaingi.
Mutwate sub county anto baba ayuguri 5 batano utemo ari kinyomo rari okinyomwe na kuguongwa ni against katiba eto nonto kimanto yonde ngenda ni bati kwithereo. Number 2 inkuona yaka kutari na fairness ndi mutongoria nkuria kiuria mujumbe tu taitu munwe mujumbe wetu Kegembe North yonde kamuria sub county mutu atiri na takura atugire ne antu batano ake na sub county ngire no nto ciagu ciuyele ciagu cionde kwa tuga moye na antu 19 na den kwari unte kwari nkiwa ailare gete na aki ina aki lakini na atu kwenda kuria re antu kumia bana re ina bari kenda kinya tutwe twena kumia kenda re ndene ya sub county ya Mutuati
kuringana noe rutere ro sub county ya Mutuati iru rabatiri kwithira rukiamukira kinya twanya atu ingi nontu ikukwena kinya antu obaingi kiringithanaguo na sub county ya Gembe North
kwetekia ndango cia thirikari cie ya kinya na population Mutuati sub county no yena antu babaingi piu na ikotweka Mutuati sub county yena antu banunu still renge no gutwika kwa disadvantage renge kire antu bau bareyete officers bau bareyete kujukua na tutekwelewa sababu imbi nanga MP etu atura wengo ageleza nageleza antu bobo yabakelewa imbi
akiririkana kinya igita arira Gembe North ya gwatene yonthe twikite sub county imwe
nya twatene u twanya itwe yake twanya 10 na tuka independent ikuo kire ntura cietu cionthe na gwatuika ciewero represented kuringana na mutongoria urorio ende kiuria gitu kuria thai minya ti mantu wa sub county njaru kana nkuru ifairness kire antu baku no ntu mutongoria wa antu bonthe
kuma Mutuati Gembe North Beton Class Chabari
Hayuthi ntere Gembe baraya bagunikite na moritani ja thirikari rungu rwa mubango jwa nyota ni bakathite bunene thirikari ya Ruto bakiuga ati ni barutite kiri mantu ja mathuku ja maramari baruga nandi kira beterete ni kwamukira mbeche yu ni kenda bambiririe biashara na baitethio turone. Marion Karugi na tutoije
Ninthuki mbithe kuma gicio kia ubunge kia Gembe South baraba mukirite mauritania kuibangania kwambiriria biashara kana ukiria biashara kiri barabe nacio rungu rwa mubango ya thirikari yukumenyekana ya nyota ya ukiri nthuki mbithe na muthithu kenda baciukiria okulukira biashara
ituchokeria thirikari ya Kenya nkatho nontu bwa uto identify na utwakanya kabe partner na World Bank kwa nitukuwa ni boya ki thirikari nontu training ina kianjo kira tukawatakia mbesa kikaomba tutethia kuendelea biashara cietu nini
lot of experiences baraba na ngui baraba tena cio bara muntu omba kwambiriria bara muntu akomba kumboost ngui yawe bara muntu akomba kwithira akiendelea na bara atomba kwithira akifail in future ke ngui yawe na itucokia nkatho muno ki thirikari yetu nontu ba kwithira patoete chance
babo tokiria na ngui baraba ina ngui cio nini bomba usi boost alafu kuna baraba tamba kwa mbiriria ngui iba kuona opportunity nyabo kwa mbiriria ngui cio nini ira cio bo batethia kimaisha
ni bacokeretie thirikari nkatho nontu bakubarikana bakiwa mubango yu ni kubatethio ciembani na mathwania ya kwithira batu ciukumia mantune ya wikiro turobo watine
tuto ai president wetu tumucokeria nkatho sana nontu ba kwithira na utothwanira youth kana vijana tunashukuru sana nontu na kwithira mostly late ko mama nontu baba utwe twithira twina ngui twithira tukichieni genchike mantu ya maingi nontu we youth twithira twina mantu ya maingi akirine ra muntu ayaendo na ithira akibwithia mantu ya atibate lakini we mbise somewhere utethira ukichieni genchike mantu ya mai
ukaleithiria no realize youth baba inge nontu wa kwithira batena ngui kana nontu bo holidays cie guthai baba inge betha bedo muno ria to ya muntu na kwithira akiwa kwithira exposed
bakomba kwebana na mantu maingi yonto ya utumiri bwa ntobi ndawa cia kulevya na intobi binge birabyo kureta mantu atikugwenda ene ntigoro yetu
ni bakuria nthuki mbithi bakauacia mantu yonthe rira twanya yatu turaumira ni boya ociandikithia kenda bomba utethuka
kwina baraba baiginoere ku maybe ku apply kwina maybe baraba wa scam lakini ndendo bera itari scam it was kinto real
Nikiripoti Raweru TV kumembe Bitawa Marion Karugi wa Naftali.
Rintuka gukungwira antu arume nthiguru ni ngwataniro ya arume ya miathene saketi muthenya jona arua batindite kwanda miti kenda kumenyera rera na kuririkana antu kwija arume baba amwe nabo ni boritie antu gukungwira arume tabure akaba kungwairwa antu kuyao na nkuruki gukebiuria gurura gutejanirwa gwa kana gakaije.
Mundi irintu yo kungwira ntu ya ntorume kana International Men's Day ngwataniro ya akuru ya saketi ya miathene nterecha Tigana West bamikungwirite na njira mwanya ya kwanda miti kenda kumenyera mama tuthiurukirite mono kagita gakambure thiete na mbere na kura
baba ni akuru ba miathene saketi men fellowship na tuko ya narua bodhuranite aja kuruki no ntuba gukungwira kiumbe gya akuru kana tuko ya akuru Men's World Day na njira ya kwanda miti no ntuba kumenyera yera retu no tukagita kara tukamenyera ya retu kinya uturo bukomba kuthira bugita bwega no ntuba kumithia kinya rito ria mwathani
unia ngwiboya sana no ntuba kuruba kuishia na ruari kuya kenda bomba kwanda miti ba improve environment no ntu itwichinya murungu wengo na kwenda antu bomba kwanda miti kenda ba improve environment na we improve environment kinya bia kuria ikomba kwana kinya biontu kintu kita onjoki Joking by the way, umenye yenda kuria iria ina environment za conducive environment kenda yumba kuruta pollination ira
inara kagitani wagwa kurwa barombete kurwa otigira iba kubaririkana na kubakungwira ntugo taye muthigo bora bakungwagira ntugo ciao.
And we are taking a complete turn. This time it's not only women who will be celebrating their Women International Day. Njira mbombo sherekewa ni oruare iko appreciated in the community. No nto ya maingi akuruba ito yukia to by the way. Na batu yukia to re umbi. Ende ito kwenda batu tuona weitwe kiongo na boibon kingo. Ibo to video celebrate you. Na to endelea to kario. Batu recognize tukaritangwe nkurukaruki
nara nkuruki bariritie mantu megeni na kana kamtu karume kumba kuigwa gateyanira utaki mugongo ntuba kuiba kugeria bonene kuona kana kamtu karume kona na kuya kuthina mbere na kurithirwa takana gakari
ya kuona na bayeye bakari akaba neglected na batu itu kwendro chokaniria tuone ana betu iba wetora kwagirite na tuone mantu yetu ya wetana mbere urakwagirite
twari na muchemo ne the other day na twerana no monga tukare nthiguru na boys na tukarenda na bona kiwango baraba i primary baraba i secondary baraba i university na kinya young fathers kenda tukara nthiguru na bo twarandiria tuona na tutethania nontu mugongo ntuku na iji mena left behind na twina wirigiro tukiaranagiria tutwinthe na twakara nthiguru tutega solution na tukauma na solution
iripotera ntho cia weru kuma ntereche miathene Tigana West mbetawa John Thiga.
O mwaka kuma mwaka ja 2023 Kenya ni kumba kuthia gikoba chiringi trilioni 1.5 ni kuringana na ura wari mukaririgiti wa kamiti ya budget mbungene Ndindi Nyoro akiuga mbere ya Kenya Kwanza kujukia utongerera andura ya Kenya rari trilioni 8.7 na nandi randurire nirikinyite trilioni 12.5 mubunge ujo wa Kiaru ariuga urombi bobo ubukeja gwita na mbere ujo ni ugwatibo bunene kiri uchumi pwa nthiguru.
Ule wale mwekarigitwa kamiti obangani bwa kigeni ya bunge nene Ndindi Nyoro riu nenenkanirite mukana kiri thirikari nene no ntu bwayo kuthina mbere ukoba Ndindi akiuga ntu bobo bomba kwangaratani uchumi bwa ndino kiri miaka ijite kuringana na Ndindi Mbakomde mukobo wa Kenya kinyite trilioni 12.5 kuma trilioni 8.7 ile jali mwaka wa 2020 ino ikiridiga Kenya likobo mwaka trilioni 1.7 kiwango kinene kia mukobo kuma ndini ya Kenya yambili gukoba.
Now as we talk with you today, the legal debts, because there are others which I'll talk about, the legal debt is 12.5 trillion Kenya shillings. And therefore, in that span of less than 3 years, Kenya has borrowed 3.8 trillion Kenya shillings. And therefore, Kenya is borrowing 1.25 trillion Kenya shillings every year.
Kulingana na mubungo jwa Kiaru, Kenya dhite na mbere utigwa nyuma ni ndita Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda na Ethiopia.
In the year 2024, Kenya grew by 4.7%. How did our neighbors fare? Uganda grew by 6%. Tanzania grew by around 6.1%. Rwanda grew by over 8%. So I am talking about this so that Ethiopia grew by around 7%.
Amwe no Ndindi ni aruti thirikari kwerithinera mbeca ino igukomba ikuthi akiuga miradi minene ta Nyota, Smart City, kwalamo kwa barabara na wakibwa kiwanja kia mchezo ta Talanta ni miradi ile ngiretwe mbeca ingi kuma kiritengo janja.
Of all the projects happening in Kenya now, starting with one that we are celebrating, Rironi Mau Summit, it's not part of the debt, it's also not part of the illegal debt, it is another issue. It is your pension money through NSSF that is building that road. Talk about a project like Nyota. You must have heard every government official talked about Nyota. It's also not Kenyan money, it's World Bank money. The expansion of Pangani, Muthaiga, Kiambu, Duberi Road is also not your taxes. That is Chinese money. So the question I have, and the DG I'm sure is listening, where are you taking the money you are borrowing?
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Timu ya Nthiguru ya Kenya Harambee Stars nionete nkanga mbute nyuma ya kurwa ngoru inyanya kwa kibugu ni Senegal kiri muchezo jo kuzimana kathari bagichethaira Nthiguru